Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the setUTCMonth method. So what it does, it set the specified date according to the universal time. So now what I'm gonna do is if I do this, and use the, I'm gonna comment out this line and use the set get UTC hours. Those who don't know what I'm doing, just go and check it out, my go UTC minute or UTC full year. I'm not gonna repeat those again. And if you want to stay, just copy this line, paste a date and plus 630, and use the dot 30 time or something like that. So when we do that, it's gonna give you the get UC. When you use the get UTC hours, it's gonna give you 16. Look, it's 23, it's 16 there. So this is what it does. So now for that, if you want consistency, you want the universal time to be always accurate. For that, what we're gonna do is we need set UTC hours. So hours and pass something like here it's 23, so I'm gonna pass 23, so it's gonna say 23. So this is what it does. For it gonna internationalize the time of the each elements. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.